Hi, my name is Katie Skilton, I'm a creative designer at Sizzix, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our new Chapter 1 launches, and that is the animal boxes. Now these are pretty fab, and the reason I love them so much is because you can make so many different animals. So these aren't just one animal that you can make, there's lots of different elements, there's lots of different ears, different facial features, so you can make whichever animal you like. So I've done 4 of them here. Just to have a little play around to see what I can do, and I've also used some of our other dies to embellish them. So I'm going to be using spring things today to embellish one of them. I'm going to make the dog, but there are so many different animals you can make for these. These are good fun, great for Easter gifts, maybe party favour bags, that type of thing. So we're going to be starting, it's a big die, it's a Big L die. Now Big L die means you can use it in all of your big shots without having to get any more long plates or anything like that. So we're going to start off by cutting the body. So we'll take some of the Sizzix cardstock here and just trim this down. I'm only going to put one layer through at a time. The reason being I want the score lines to show up, so I'm only going to use one layer. So this is going to be its body, and then we need to cut another one of those. Pop these bits out of the way. You can also cut whiskers, so if you do something like a cat or a rabbit and you want whiskers, you can cut whiskers. So this is going to be our box. We've got the 2 sides for our box. I'm just going to turn this round. And then we're going to use some darker brown for the ears. I've got some brown cardstock here. We're going to use this for the ears and for the little mouth on the dog. So this time we can do both because I don't need to score it. That's his little mouth. And then we want to do some eyes and a nose as well. So I'm just going to take some black cardstock here. So do those 2 at once. So obviously we want 2 eyes. Where are they? They're there. Pop them down. And then his little nose. There we go. So we can put all of those layers at once now. All the bits we need. There's the nose, one eye there, the other eye is probably still in the big die, so let's just take this and have a look. Yeah, it's in here. Just use my pokey tool to pick this one up. There we go. So that's all the elements of the dog. Now again, I said I was going to decorate it slightly, so I'm using the spring things. So because I'm using the thin-lit dies, I'm going to pop our platform back in, and this time I'm going to take the flower die. So we're just going to add a little flower hairband. Ooh, I've already pre-cut some of the flowers and the leaves. We've got some pink here, so we use the Sizzix pink cardstock. One. Cream, pink cream, and then some yellow for the centre of the flower. And then what I'll do, I'll show you how to piece together the box once we've die cut it all. There we go. I'll take these little elements and we'll pop those on there because I'm going to use the paper sculpting kit to shape the flowers. That's all of our die cutting done, so we'll just move this out of the way slightly, give it some room. Get rid of all the bits we don't want. Move this over to the side. So your box comes with the score lines. I'm just going to keep the eyes safe down there. So we need to fold along the score lines. Just move those monkeys' tails. And then this is the side of your box. And this is where each side attaches to the other side to make a full box. These would be great fun for the children maybe to make at Easter. If you cut all the little pieces, maybe they could make up their own animals as little Easter gifts. There we go. So I'm going to take some wet glue. So I'm just using some strong wet glue here, and we're going to start attaching them. So we need to go down this piece here, and we're going to attach that piece together. So we'll just wait for that to hold. There we go, and we'll do the same on this one. Basically, just repeat on the end too, exactly the same. So again, just line it up to the corner there. Hold it in place. Then we're going to do exactly the same, but this time we're going to join them together. So we need a piece of glue, a little bit of glue on this side. Glue on this side. And we're going to just slot them in place so that the bottom lines up as well. And again, just hold it in place till the glue takes. That side's taken. That kind of gives us our base. So once we've got our base, we need to add on the face. So we'll add on the little mouth. And obviously, depending on which animal you can make this look totally different by just using different features. So this little nose. Then we'll take the eyes. So the eyes need a little bit more concentration, just to get the glue on. Use my pokey tool. It's really good. Pokey tool is really perfect for positioning tiny little things that your fingers can't particularly hold on to. Just line up the eyes. Then we're going to give him some ears. So now again, depending on where you put the ears, it makes the animal look totally different each time. I'm going to have, this one's a dog, so his ears are going to be kind of flapping downwards. So that would be a dog. If you wanted to leave him plain, that's your little dog. Obviously, I've decided to embellish him a little bit, so we'll just let that one dry while we look at these flowers. So again, these are the flowers from the spring things. And I just want to make these a little bit 3D. So just using my paper sculpting kit. In the centre, just going to give them a little roll with the ball tool here. And that's going to bring them to life. And we'll do that with the centres as well. And again, even with these leaves, I'll use the smaller ball tool. And we'll just give the leaves a little bit of round. Let's just fold these as well, give these a little fold. Again, they've got the score line there, so these are easy to fold in place. There we go, so we can glue all these bits together now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to layer these flowers up a little bit. Just alternate the petals. And then add on the little centres. And this one's going to go in the centre because this is the larger flower. That's all of our flowers ready. So we'll leave those to the side for a second. We'll bring back our dog. So what we're going to do, we're going to give him a little collar. So I've got some ribbon here, and I've got a kind of a little metal heart. So you could use any embellishment. And I'm simply going to thread that through. I say simply, it's never simple, is it, to thread something through? There we go. So this is going to be his little collar. Let's just trim off the end there. Trim off an end here. this round, secure it at the back. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue. Let's attach that one first, attach one end, rid of the glue string, and then we'll attach the other end. And there we have a little dog. So now our dog's got a little collar on. So by now the flowers should have dried as well. So let's pop him flat and we'll add on the flowers. So start with the centre one. Add those round. I think this really needs him. Add some leaves to that as well. Pop those under the flowers so they hang down. And then I've just got some of the tiny leaves here. Actually, I think I'll just use some wet glue for that because we can. We'll just pop the leaves coming out from under the flowers slightly. Add those into the little gaps wherever you think needs something. Just add some little leaves. There we go. So there's our little dog. So that's that. Oh, so that's that one finished. So as I say, you can add all sorts of different animals. So here we've got the little chick. So I've given this one kind of some feathers that I trimmed there. And again, use the flowers to embellish. This one I've given him a little bow tie. So I think that was from the dressed box that I used the bow. And also this one's from the dressed box as well. So this one I've added the bow to their ears. So lots of different things. You can do penguins with them, and you can do monkeys with them. If you have a look, there's lots of different ideas there. And hopefully maybe I'll be back to show you some more. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more inspiration, remember to visit the Sizzix blog, Sizzix Facebook page, or Instagram page. We post lots of inspiration on there. And I shall see you next time. Thank you.